Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into something that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Meco AI robots. Picture this. Robots that don't just follow commands, but actually learn from you and adapt. Sounds pretty wild, right? Let's get into it. First off, Meco stands for Machine Enhanced Cognitive Organism. These aren't your run-of-the-mill robots. Nah, these guys are equipped with advanced AI that allows them to understand, learn, and evolve based on their interactions with humans. Think of it as having a personal assistant that gets better the more you use it. The brains behind Meco AI robots have packed them with state-of-the-art tech. We're talking about neural networks, deep learning algorithms, and real-time data processing. This means these robots can handle complex tasks, from organizing your calendar to managing home security, and even engaging in meaningful conversations. Yeah, you heard that right. Meaningful conversations. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does this work? Well, Meco robots are designed with sensors and cameras that capture and analyze data from their environment. This data is then processed using powerful AI algorithms that allow the robot to make decisions and adapt its behavior. So if you ask your Meco robot to fetch you a drink, it's not just following a pre-programmed command. It's actually figuring out the best way to accomplish that task based on its surroundings. One of the coolest features of Meco AI robots is their ability to learn and grow. Over time, as they interact with you and your environment, they become more efficient and effective. It's like having a friend who just gets you better and better as time goes on. And let's be real, who doesn't want a friend like that, right? But it's not just about smarts. Meco robots are designed to be approachable and user-friendly. They've got a sleek, modern design that fits right into any home or office setting. Plus, the user interface is super intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech whiz to get the most out of your robot. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about security? The folks at Meco have got you covered. These robots come with top-notch security features to protect your data and privacy. You can interact with peace of mind, knowing your personal information is safe. So what's the takeaway here? Meco AI robots are not just a glimpse into the future. They're here to revolutionize the way we live and work today. With their cutting-edge technology, adaptive learning, and user-friendly design, these robots are poised to become an integral part of our daily lives. Alright, that's it for now. If you're as excited about Meco AI robots as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace out.